Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing Goan Chanyacho Ros recipe. The ingredients are half coconut grated, half onion sliced, half onion chopped, 1 tomato, few curry leaves, 1 green chili slit, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 stick of cinnamon, few cloves, 4 peppercorns, half inch of ginger chopped, few cloves of garlic, 1 green chili slit, 2 red chilies, tamarind. Salt, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of hing, 1 cup white peas soaked overnight, washed and boiled, jaggery, oil, water, coriander leaves. Heat oil in a pan, add half onion sliced, half inch of ginger chopped, few cloves of garlic chopped. Mix. Add half coconut grated. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 stick of cinnamon, few cloves, 4 peppercorns, 1 green chili slit, 2 red chilies. Mix. Saute it. Once it is sauteed, let it cool. Heat oil in a vessel. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of hing. Mix. Add few curry leaves. Mix. Half onion chopped. Mix. Add salt. Mix. Add 1 tomato chopped. Saute it. In a mixer jar, add the cooled sauteed ingredients from the pan. Add tamarind. Add water. Grind into a fine paste. Pour the ground masala into the vessel. Add the boiled white peas. Stir. Add water in the mixer jar as there is some masala remaining in it and pour it into the vessel. Mix. Add half tablespoon of garam masala. Mix. Add water. Stir. Add little jaggery. Mix. Let it cook. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add salt and mix. Let it cook. Chanyacho Ros is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.